Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to share with you the best strategy to optimize Cash App for daily spendings. So the best strategy to optimize Cash App for daily spending is consistency and intentional limits. Treat your Cash App balance like a spending wallet rather than, a savings account. Keep only what you plan to spend in the short term and transfer excess funds out regularly. Use Cash App card for predictable expenses such as food or transport to track habits easily. Enable notifications for every transaction so that spending stays visible. Take advantage of boosts strategically by aligning them with your routine purchases. Avoid impulse transfers by reviewing your balance before spending. When daily use is structured, Cash App becomes a controlled spending tool rather than, an unmonitored drain on your finances. That's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, comment, share, and subscribe for more helpful financial insights. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.